So I thought it's time to do another video. Not done one for a while. Unfortunately, I've been on a 3-week bender due to sadly losing a good mate of mine. One of the last things he said to me was to keep doing my YouTube channel, so I'm going to stick at it. So I thought it's time to do another video. So I'll show you what I've been doing on this car. So this is the BMW e30 325i that I've been on with. I've got that quarter stripped down. I've had to take all the paint off it. I've used some paint stripper. So I scraped all the paint off there, and it was full from the front to the back with filler. Probably where they've done a repair on it before, but it would have been all done up and resprayed before the car. It's that old. So it's had a repair around the back. You can see where they've panelled it. It's looking a bit worse for wear. It certainly looks better than it did when I first stripped it. I've had to weld this up here. I put this arch in a while ago, as you've seen from my previous videos. I've started filling it on there. Did some welding in there. As you can see, I've made these bits and welded them in there, so that'll get filled over and stone guarded. So we'll come to having a look underneath the car now. Looking under here, I'm starting to question myself what the bloody hell I'm doing this car, because it's going to need a shitload of work. Diff's leaking. So that's something I could have done without. The gearbox, there's oil coming from the gearbox as well, so that's probably going to need to come out. But it's damp anyway around the gearbox, so I'm guessing the seals have gone in it. Tank's dented. I didn't see that before, so it's not very good. This will clean up alright though, I'll have a look inside. So as you can see, I've took the dash out. There's a heater matrix to go in there. I've got to remove all this. Labelled all electrics up so I know where it goes. So it's a bit of a mess in there, plenty to remember to put together. So I've just welded this axle stand up because it was off eBay and it's absolutely shite. Didn't trust it, didn't trust the welds on the inside. Not the best welds I've put on there. I could hardly see when I was doing it. I had the light behind me in the mask, and the inside of the mask. I've had this a while now. They're a decent grinder, these are, for doing bits and bobs around the workshop, but you need a couple of batteries. This isn't an original battery, I've just bought another 2 of these because they're a lot cheaper than the originals and they work really well. It shows the charge in there. So I've got 3 of these. What size are they? 5 amp hour, 18 volts, so I've got 3 of them. They work well on a rotor. By the time one's run out, put that on charge, get another one. So yeah. So that's where I'm at with this car now. Sounds like the village idiot on his bike. So that's where we're at with the E30 now. Please like, please subscribe, and please follow this project. Thanks for watching.